In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dates to a card in Trello. This guide will walk you through each step so you can efficiently organize your projects with precise timing. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or new to this powerful project management tool, setting dates for tasks is a crucial aspect of keeping everything on track. Let's get started. First, head over to Trello's website by typing in trello.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this either by using your email address or by logging in with a Google account. If you're not already signed in, click on the login button to bring up the login screen. Enter your credentials and soon you'll find yourself at your Trello dashboard. When you reach your Trello home, go to the board section. This is where you can manage and view all your boards. Navigate to the Your Workspaces section. Here, you'll see a list of all the workspaces that you have access to. Select the workspace and the specific board you want to work on by clicking on it. Once inside your chosen board, identify the card to which you'd like to add dates. Click on this card to open it. Inside the card's details, you'll see various options to enrich your task's information. Among these options, find and click on the Dates button. This will open the date settings for your card. To add a start date to your task, check the checkbox option to make this setting active. Once enabled, go ahead and pick a start date from the calendar that appears. Selecting a start date is helpful for marking when work on the task should begin. Next, navigate to the due date. Click on this option to set a deadline for your task. Choose the date and if necessary, adjust the time to precisely when you'd like this task to be completed. This will help in keeping the task aligned with project timelines. Now, let's ensure you don't miss this deadline by setting a reminder. Click on Set Due Date Reminder. You can choose when you wish to be notified about this upcoming deadline, allowing you to stay ahead of your schedule. Once you have your start date, due date and reminders all set, click on Save to apply these changes to your card. This will ensure that all your date settings are retained and you can move on to your next task. Finally, after everything's saved and set, you can close out of the date menu. Simply click to exit and your card is now updated with the proper dates set. And there you have it, your task is now scheduled with clear start and due dates in Trello. Remember, organizing your tasks with dates is a simple yet effective way to keep your projects running smoothly and on time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy task managing.